Dear friends, welcome back. This video tries to highlight the legacy of Tamil Chola dynasty in the Southeast Asian countries from the travel notes of Chinese author Ma Huan, who accompanied the great admiral and explorer of China, Zhang He, in various expeditions during early 15th century, around 1405 and 1430. This video will highlight the Tamil-related facts in the countries such as Sri Vijaya, renamed as Palambang, Manlasya, renamed as Malacca, Sumanthala, renamed as Sumatra. Sri Vijaya. As to the customs of the people in this country, their marriage and funeral rites, even their language and their drink, food, dress and other such things are all same as the Jawa too, which is Java. Manlasya. On the islands in the sea along the coast, there grows a variety of aquatic plant called Chiao Chiang leaves, palm leaves. They are long, like knives or reeds, and resemble the shoots of the bitter bamboo, with their thick, rind and flexible nature. The plant bears fruit like a lychee in appearance and as large as fowl's eggs. The people take these fruits and make a fermented wine called Chiao Chang wine. When drunk, it can intoxicate people too. The people of the countryside take these leaves and interweave them with bamboo to make fine matting. The pieces are only 2 chi, approximately 0.5 meters broad, and more than 1 chang, approximately 3 meters long. They are sold as mats. The speech of the people in this country and their writings and marriage rites are somewhat the same as in Java, which is Java. Sumanthala. The customs of this country are pure and honest. Their speech, writing, marriage, funerals, the dress which they wear, and other such things are all same as in the country of Manlachia. As to the dwellings of the people, the houses are built in storied form. In the higher part of the house, they do not lay down a plank flooring, but they use 2 kinds of wood, coconut palm and arka palm, which they split into stripes and bind together with rattans. Over the stripes, again they spread rattan mats. This platform is high from the ground, and on this the people live. On this elevated platform, they also set screens. At this place, there are foreign ships going and coming in large numbers. Hence, all kinds of foreign goods are sold in great quantities in the country. Hope you know about the facts of the 3 countries, and if you want the Tamil equivalent, lychee is equivalent to Tamil's nungu, and the fermented wine is the kal, panangal. The houses of Sumanthala can be compared to the Paran houses of Tamils. All the above content was taken from the book named Ingyai Shenglan, meaning the overall survey of the ocean shores, written by Ma Huan in the year 1433 and translated in English by J.V.G. Mills. There are many more facts to share with you all. I will meet you in my next video with the notes on Ceylon, the present-day Sri Lanka, as mentioned in Ma Huan travel notes. We'll meet you soon. Until then, thank you with wishes.